Money in English. What is money? Money is what people use to buy things, pay for services, or save for the future. It can be in different forms. Coins, bills, banknotes, digital money, U.S. currency. In the United States, the currency is called the dollar. $1 equals 100 cents. Coins. 1 cent equals a penny. 5 cents equals a nickel. 10 cents equals a dime. 25 cents equals a quarter. 50 cents equals half dollar. 100 cents equals $1. $1 bill. $5 bill. $10 bill. $20 bill. $50 bill. $100 bill. Talking about money. In English, we say, "How much is this?" It costs $5. I have $10. Can I pay with a credit card? Other currencies around the world. Euro. Used in many European countries. Peso. Some Latin American countries. Pound. United Kingdom. Yen. Japan. Gourd. Haiti. Common expressions with money. Save money. Spend money. Borrow money. Lend money. Earn money. Waste money. Example sentences. I want to save money for a new car. She spent $50 on clothes. Can you lend me $5? He earns a lot of money at his job. Don't waste money on things you don't need.